Guys, please open your camera if it is possible.
Prashant, I would suggest to you, it would be great if you use M365 because 2 days ago I have installed, so it would be good working in Power Query, Power BI.
MS
Am I correct,
365.
Sagar?
I didn't use it. Yeah, but I
Okay,
will
okay.
definitely try it if you are saying that. So I'll also try it. But if I have to append the data from different sheets, then
Mhm.
I use Power Pivot only. I never use other functions in Excel. Because
Okay.
Power Pivot is very easy to use. It's Excel like a structure. You just add your data to model and your data is ready, and you can now
Yeah,
take any column from the different sheets and you can get different type of insights.
yeah, agree with you. Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, thank you. Hi Ashish. So guys, you have any doubt? Ashish, Jamshed, if you have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay, so let's do one thing. We'll discuss something new today. Okay,
Okay.
so
Yeah.
my screen is visible to all.
Yeah, now it's visible.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so what we are going to discuss, you guys know about conditional formatting.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you know what is conditional formatting, and there are many options in conditional formatting. We can use it, but now today we are going to use conditional formatting in a different way. Okay,
Okay.
so
That's
how
great.
we can use that? Suppose I am going to add different buttons or list item over there. Okay, and if I click on that particular item, then that particular row will be highlighted with that particular color. Okay, so how we can do that? First, we have to go into developer tab. If this developer tab is not visible, so what you have to do, you have to just right click anywhere on the ribbon and go to customize the ribbon. And in
Okay.
customize ribbon, you can see developer tab over here, and just click that developer add, and your developer tab will be added, and then click on OK, and then your developer tab will be visible over here. Okay, like in my Excel, it is already added, so it is visible. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going go to insert, and we are going to use list box. Okay, so this is the list box. Click here and add it over here. Okay, I added list box. Understand? Any problem in that
Uh,
adding list box?
uh, can you please repeat
Okay.
this part?
So first you have to go developer tab.
Yeah.
If this developer tab is not visible in your bar, okay, so what you have to do, you have to just right click here, go to customize the ribbon, and in customize ribbon, my developer tab is already added, so it is visible. But
Uh,
in your
but
case, it is not added, so it will be visible in the left side.
that, yeah.
Okay, just click on that and click on add. When you click on that particular tab, add button will be visible. When you
Mhm.
add, that tab will be visible over here. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
then click on OK, then your developer tab will be visible over here in
Mhm.
the bar. Okay, then go to insert. First I got this, then go to insert, go to list box, and add list box over here. Okay, you can add like longer list box, wider list box, it's up to you. Okay, you
Okay.
have to just drag your mouse and you can add your list box.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
then right click on that, go to format control. Okay, then this box will be visible to you. Then go to input range, and in input range you have to give the range. Okay, suppose I have different zones over here. Okay, like
Mhm.
I have north zone, south zone, east zone, and west zone. Okay,
Mhm.
we have four zones. Okay, so we list four zones over here. Okay, and also I give no formatting option. Okay, so I give this one also. If nothing is selected, then nothing will be shown over here. Okay,
Okay.
so I will be give input range from here, and then I have to give cell link. Okay, so I have to give cell link where why I am giving this, I can select any cell in Excel, any blank cell. Okay, so I am giving this cell. Now how it will work, I will show you. Okay, and then click on OK. Okay, so your items will be visible over here. And now if I click on, sorry, if I click on north, it is 1. If I click on south, the number is changing. East 3, west 4, and no formatting 5. Understood why
Yeah.
I give cell link over there?
Yeah.
Okay, for this numbering only. Okay, now what we have to do? So we have to go into home, and then we have to select the whole data. Now we are going to apply conditional formatting. What we are going to do here, if I selected north, the whole every north row will be visible with different color. If I selected south, south row will be visible. If I selected east, east row will be visible. Okay,
Uh,
so first, I'll select my whole data from here. Okay, select the
mhm.
data, go to conditional formatting, and go to new rule. Okay, so you all learn in Excel, when we have to satisfy different conditions, what formula we can use. Anyone? When we
Yeah.
have different conditions in Excel, you learn and formula or formula. You learn about it, about that.
I
Or
think
for
we need to use this one, which is already highlighted. Am I correct, Sagar?
Yeah, we have to use this one, but in that case, we will use
Mm-hmm.
some formula over here. Okay, so
Some.
here we have two conditions. We have to satisfy two conditions here. Okay, first one is not. First one is the this will, if I selected north, then north will be visible. If I selected south, then south will be visible. So first one is this condition, and second one is this cell. Okay, so when we have to satisfy two conditions in Excel, then we use AND formula, because we
Mm,
have to satisfy both the conditions, not only one conditions, we have to satisfy both the conditions. Okay, how we can
uh,
satisfy the condition? Equal to and bracket open. Okay, what is first condition? Our first condition is this. Okay, this cell will be equal to north. Okay, this cell will be equal to north. Okay, now here dollar is already applied, but we have to check. We need dollar over here. We have to fix that cell. Anyone answer that question? We have to fix that cell or not?
I think no.
Yeah, we don't need to fix that cell. We only need to fix C, not need to fix 2. So how, what we can do? We can press F4 and, sorry, and dollar is go, dollar is gone. Okay, now equal to, now this cell, if this cell will be equal to north, so where we can pick north, we can pick north from here. If this cell is equal to north, now we have to fix this cell. Why? Because if we not fix that cell, then it is going down automatically. So now here we have to fix that cell. This is our first condition. Everyone understand? This is our first condition.
mhm.
Then comma.
Because you are applying AND condition, you need to give to
Yes, yes. No, we are using and because we have to satisfy both the conditions.
okay.
If we have to satisfy any one condition between two, then we can use or.
Yeah.
Now, what is our second condition? Our second condition, if this cell is equal to 1, okay, we need 1 in this cell, because for north it is 1, for south it is 2, for east it is 3, and so on. So this cell is is equal to 1, bracket close. This is our formula. Everyone understand that formula? Any problem in that formula? If you have any problem, then you can ask here.
So is this
No
formula
problem.
complete? Is this formula complete?
Yeah, this is complete formula.
Because you are giving only one condition,
No,
north one.
no, see,
One
see,
code, one code represent north only, right?
see,
Code one.
one, this first condition is this cell, if this cell is equal to north. Okay, that is first condition. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And what is our second condition? Because north is one is representing north, two is
Mm-hmm.
representing south, three is representing east. So we have to give this condition also. Because
Okay.
if I selected north, then if I selected south, the number is changing.
Mm-hmm. Got it. Got it. Got it.
Okay, so we have to satisfy both the conditions.
Yeah.
Then we have to go to format. Then in format, we can apply different font, borders, fill. We'll only use fill over here because I have to show you. You can use other things as well, fonts, border, other things. There are different things to use. Okay, now I am selecting green color and click on OK. And then click on OK. See, I selected north.
Mm-hmm.
The north rows will be visible with that particular color. If I selected south, it is not visible. Why? Because we did not apply formula on on south. Okay.
Okay.
So for that, we can use formula again for south, then east, then west, then no formatting. So how we can do that? Just go to conditional formatting and go to new manage rules. Okay. And go to
Mm-hmm.
this rule, edit rule, copy this rule, copy this rule from here. Okay. And you can create new rule from here also. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
how we can use it? Just go here, copy that formula, and now we have to change that cell. Okay, this need
Mm-hmm.
to be equal to 2. Okay, equal
Yeah.
to A2. This one. Okay, and this need to be equal to 2. Understood? Because in the previous formula we are using condition for satisfying the north. Now we are using condition for satisfying the south. So south is in K2. So if this cell, these all the
Mm-hmm.
cells, because it is going down one by one. Okay, it will take all the cells. That's why I did not put dollar over here.
Okay.
Okay, this particular cell is equal to this particular K2 cell, and if this cell I2 I1 is equal to 2, then go to format. Now I want to give yellow color over there. Understood what I did here over here, guys?
Can you write a composite formula mixing north, south, east, west,
No,
In a
no, we
single.
cannot write that.
and or
No, no, we cannot write that.
Mm.
Okay, and then click on OK, and again OK. So our formula is ready. Apply. OK. Let's see if it is visible or not. It is not visible. So we did some mistake over there. What is the mistake? Let's see. Go to
Yellow.
edit rule. Okay. Now we have to give C3 cell over there. A2
Yes, yes, C3.
and
Yeah.
this one is okay. We did this mistake and apply and okay. Now it is visible. Okay, we did not select over our overall table. That's why it is giving like that. So what we can do, we have to remove that formula, click on that, and delete this rule. Okay, now edit rule and copy this rule. Okay, okay, apply. Okay, just select the table.
Entire table. Yeah.
Yeah, this table, because we have to select the table. Now we are applying formula in table. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
select the table, go to conditional formatting, go to new rule, go to this one, type formula, and this is equal to K2, and we have to give it 2 here in format. Then go to yellow color, select any color you want, then okay, then click on OK. Now it is visible. Okay, I click on north, it is green. I click on south, all the south row will be highlighted with yellow color. Okay,
Okay.
let's do it for east and west also, or you
Yeah.
can do it by yourself.
Mm,
Yeah,
It's
please do for at least one more.
okay. Okay, one more I'll do. Then you can do for west on yourself. Okay. Then select again the whole table. Okay. Go to conditional formatting, manage rule. From here, we can copy that particular rule. You don't need to type rule one by one for all the thing, all the zone. You can copy that rule and change some things in that particular rule. Okay. Click on OK. You can create new rule from here also. Go here. Now
Mm.
this will be equal to east in K3, and this cell will be equal to 3 if we
three.
want. Okay, then format. Then we can select blue color over there. Okay, okay, apply. Okay. Now you can see it is highlighted with blue color. All the east one, north one with green color, south one with yellow color, east one with blue color, and you can do it for west and no formatting also in the same way. So
Okay.
this is a new way to use conditional formatting. Okay,
What is the meaning of this no formatting?
no formatting means we if we didn't select anything. Okay.
Agar if we want all north, east, west together
Hmm.
with colors, so how can we do that? Is there any way?
Together, you what did you mean? I didn't understand you.
Like if we click on north, so blue color will be highlighted, correct? So all four condition we can do in same time.
In single formula, you can say.
No. All different color we want. Okay, like if we want to select anything, so we have to click on control plus. Okay, so
I
if we
don't
want,
think, yeah, I don't think in that case we can do using control. So we have to
okay,
select one by one. This is
one
just
by
for,
one, one by
like,
one, yeah.
if we want to highlight particular zone. Suppose you are working somewhere, okay, and
Mm-hmm.
you want to highlight particular roll number,
Mm-hmm.
or you can say students from particular city. You want to highlight that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so in that case, you can use that type of conditional formatting.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
if we want to highlight all the rows, you can say north, south, east, and west in a single table with different colors, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in that case, we can use simple conditional formatting.
Okay.
This conditional formatting we are using just
To
to
highlight,
get insights one by one.
fine,
Okay.
fine.
And one more thing you can what you can do, you can use one more thing here. You can use button. Okay. So in
Okay.
that in the case of button, when you click on button, then that particular zone will be highlighted. So you can use buttons also, and you can take products for button. So the formula will be same. You just need to add button and add controls of button as well. So there are different things in insert option. You can like observe these things, and some things are very useful in that case. Okay. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me share another Excel sheet. Okay, and we will discuss VLOOKUP in that. Like someone asked about that, I think Prashant.
Yeah.
Okay, let me give a moment. I am opening another sheet. Guys, anyone have any question? Like any doubt you want to ask, so you can ask, because it is a doubt session, so you can ask your doubt. No one has any doubt? Many, I can see many people: Akash, Vivo, Sharma, SS, Ashish, Jamshed. Okay, so I think no. Can you share the data you have used? Yeah, I will share. I'll share the data in the group. Okay, so let's discuss about VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. Okay, my screen is visible to all.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Sagar.
Yeah,
visible.
it's visible.
Okay,
What is X lookup? New thing for
uh,
me.
yeah, it is XLOOKUP because match is a very complex formula. Okay,
Uh,
so we can use XLOOKUP in place of index match. Okay,
uh,
so
yeah,
first we will see VLOOKUP, then we will see XLOOKUP. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so now this is the sheet. Here we have order ID, order date, order year, customer name, country, region, state, city, segment, shipping date, shipping year, and ship mode. Okay, so it is a data of some store. Okay, store, or you can say mart. Okay, so this is the order details of that particular mart. Okay, in
Okay.
that case, sales is missing. Sales is given in that particular sheet. Okay,
Uh,
so we want our sales here. So how we can do that? Just create the sales column. Okay, we can do that using VLOOKUP formula. Okay,
mhm.
so every formula in Excel starts with equal to VLOOKUP,
Yeah.
bracket open. Okay, first we
Mm.
have to give our lookup value. Okay, give me a second. Give me a second. Just someone on gate. Give me a second. Yeah, 1 second, guys. Hello. Yeah, I'm audible.
Yeah,
Yes.
Sagar. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen again. The screen is visible.
Yeah.
Screen is visible. Anyone?
Yes, this is visible.
Yeah, visible.
Okay. So in this sheet, list of orders is given, and in sales we have customer name and sales. Okay. So what we are going to use, we are going to fetch sales from here, and we can fetch that sales in that sheet. Okay, so we use VLOOKUP over here. So equal to VLOOKUP starting bracket, then we have to give lookup value. Lookup value is that particular value. On the basis of that value we can fetch the sales value. So in that sales sheet, customer name is also given. So on the basis of customer name, we can fetch sales. Okay. So in lookup value, we can select customer name. Okay. This is a lookup value. Okay. Then
Yeah.
table array. Okay. What is table array? We are going to look that value in which particular table array. Okay, so we are going to look that value in that particular table. Select that table. Okay, go again in list of orders, then comma. Then we have to give column index number. Okay, so our sales is visible in which column? Here,
Mm.
in column B. So in VLOOKUP, we will give column index number. So A will be column 1, B will be column 2, C will be column 3, like that. Okay. So what we'll give here, Prashant?
Two.
Guess? 2. We'll give 2 over there.
Yeah.
Okay. And now we have to give approximate match or exact match. So we want exact match. So we can use false over here,
Zero.
or we can use 0 also in place of false. 0 for false, 1 for true. Okay, so 1 for approximate match and 0 for exact match, and then bracket close and enter. Why it is not visible? 2. Okay, so we are not looking here, we are looking this data in that sheet. Now enter. Now it is visible, and double click on that, so all the sales will be visible over here. Understand? Understand, guys? Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
Sagar,
are
yeah.
Sagar,
Understand.
Yes.
so
just request, just one more time if you can do it.
Yeah, I can do it again. Let's delete this. Okay. So what we are going to do? Suppose in that particular sheet we have different columns: order ID, order date, order year, and other things as well. You can see. Okay. One thing is missing, that is sales, and sales is available in that particular sheet. Okay. And in that particular sheet, sales is given according to customer name. Okay, so this is a customer name and sales is visible in that column. Customer name is also available in that sheet. So on the basis of customer name, we can fetch sales from this sheet to this sheet. Okay, so in that case, we can use VLOOKUP formula. Okay, equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open. First, we have to give lookup value. So what is the meaning of lookup value? Lookup value is that what we are going to look up in that particular sheet, and on the basis of that particular column, we can fetch sales. So here we are looking for customer name because we are going to fetch the sales on the basis of customer name. Okay, so customer name is our lookup value. Then comma. You can see formula over here. Just see that formula and follow the simple steps. Okay, what is our table array? Okay, our table array is that particular table where we are going to search that lookup value. Look that lookup value. What VLOOKUP is doing? VLOOKUP is doing search operation in your table. Okay, so we are going to look up that customer name in that particular sheet and in that particular table. So in table array, we can select this whole table. Okay, sorry, it is changed. We just need to select from here and comma. Okay, then we have to give column index number. So what is the column index number? Column index number is number where in which column where our item is present, with that item we have to fetch. Okay, so here we can give number for column. So for A stands for 1, stands for A, 2 stands for B, 3 stands for C, 4 stands for D, and so on. So here we are going to fetch sales. So sales is present in a B column. For B, we can give 2. Again comma. A formula is complete. Now we have to give, we want exact match or approximate match. Okay, so in the 99.5% of cases we want exact match all the times. Okay, there are some different cases which is only 0.5% where we can do approximate match also. So here we want exact match. So for exact match, we can use false also, and we can use zero also. And for approximate match, we can use true also and one also. Then bracket close, press enter. Then this formula is visible. I'll click on that formula. Sales for all the column, all the rows are visible.
Sagar, can you go down to the last row of this formula? I want to check one thing. I will tell you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So my query is, why are you not fixing the table array?
Okay.
Why are you?
Why I'm not fixing the table array?
Yeah.
Because
Because
we are fetching cells according to customer name. Okay. So let's see. Here we have 4111 rows. Okay. See
Mhm,
in that sales column also
mhm,
4111. In
mhm.
there are many cases where our table array is not according to our original table, so there we need to fix the table array, because if we did not fix, then it can automatically go
Go
down.
down. That's
Okay.
my question. Yeah.
So in that particular sales sheet, other sheets are not visible. There is no data below from
Yeah.
4111 row. So that's why we are not fixing. We can also fix that, no problem in that. Suppose we can fix that table array. Let's see. This is our table array. Press F4 and it is fixed. Press enter. The result will be same, no change. We can fix
Be-
that. It is a good practice. You can highlight the good thing. It is a good practice to always fix the table wherever needed.
So, so the
Okay.
result is not changed because the order of name in column D is same in on the sales sheet.
Yeah, you can say that also. Let's see. Let's change that order name. Sort this column. Okay, we can sort this column. Sort A to Z. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, now we can remove. We can not fix this.
Yeah.
Now it will give different result. Enter. Some places it can be same, some places it can be different. You have to check all the sheets. So it is a good practice always to fix that. Okay. If your order is not same, if your order is same, then also you can fix, no problem in that. It is a good practice always to fix the cell. Okay. Any sorry, any problem in that, guys?
Mhm.
It is fine. Okay. Now, why X lookup or index match is required? Okay, suppose I copy this and paste it over here. This cell is not, this cell is empty. There is nothing. Or something other available in this cell. Like you can say serial number is available. One, two, sorry. One, two, and you can. Okay, so serial number is available in that cell. Nothing is available apart from serial number. And in that particular our original table, serial number is not available. But in that sales sheet, serial number is available. So in that case, we cannot use VLOOKUP. Okay, if you want to use VLOOKUP, you can use. Let's see what will happen. This is our lookup value, comma. This is our lookup table, comma, column index number is 3 and 0. It will not give answer because VLOOKUP always work leftwards. Okay, understood? VLOOKUP always work leftwards. Your data
Left
should be,
to right. Yeah.
should
We
be,
look up
yeah,
to work left to right.
left
And
to right.
yes, in this particular case, you can select table array from column B and C only. No need to
Yeah, you
select
can,
column.
we can select that table array from B and C, but in some cases it can, some things are also available in that column which we need.
Understood.
Okay,
Got it.
that's
Yeah.
why need of X lookup will arise. Okay,
But we
Okay.
are giving
VLOOKUP
column number
always work
three.
left to right. Okay, you need to select all the data. You can select from data over here also. Then it will consider this column as left column, left word column. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the limitation of VLOOKUP. Always remind this. This is the
But Sagar, we
limitation
are
of
giving column number 3, right? So the formula should work.
what?
No, but the
We are
lookup
giving
value
the
is
column number
customer
3.
name.
One by one.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
My question is, in the VLOOKUP formula, we are giving from where it has to search. It has to search from the column number 3.
Mm-hmm.
So formula should work, right?
No, let's see what I am saying. This is the formula of VLOOKUP. Okay. When serial number is not available in that sheet, then formula is working. Why? Because our table, this is our column. What is our lookup value? This is our lookup value. It is present in leftward column. So VLOOKUP only work left whenever our data present in leftward column. Okay, this is a limitation of VLOOKUP. What VLOOKUP is doing, VLOOKUP is applying search operation in your particular table. Okay, if you can select your data from here, let's see this also. Remove that. Okay, now I am going to give lookup table from here. No, I am not selecting serial number. Select this and enter. Now it will sorry, we have to select 2 over here. Why we are selecting, we have to give 2 over here? Why? Because I am selecting data from this column. According to this column, our data is present in second column because we are taking table array from here. Okay, so we can give 2 and the formula is working. So VLOOKUP always work leftwards. This is the only limitation of VLOOKUP. That's why in many cases we cannot apply VLOOKUP directly. We have to find some other way. So you understand what I am trying to say?
Yeah, what I
And
understand
what
that whatever we will search, that should be the first column in the left side.
Yeah, leftward column. VLOOKUP always work left to right, and XLOOKUP can work in the whole table anywhere your data is present. It can work in the whole table. That's why
Uh,
X need will arise.
left, right, upper, lower,
Yeah,
all four cases. Yeah.
also diagonally.
okay.
Okay, so
So in the sales
yeah,
table, so Sagar, in the sales table, can you change the order of sales value and customer name on the sales table,
order.
on the sales sheet?
Okay, this
Right?
order you are saying.
Yeah, this order. Yeah.
Yeah,
Column.
I
No, no,
changed
no.
this. This is I
Column
sort
B.
this in
No,
alphabetical.
no, no, no. I mean to say column customer name on the right side and the sales value on the left side.
Okay, you can you can say like that. I understood what you are trying to say. Like
এবার যেন
this.
ওরকম রেজাল্ট না হয়
Now X lookup will work, right?
Yeah, XLOOKUP will work.
Yeah. X lookup will work. Yeah.
Okay. Can you show one
Yeah,
X
I
look?
will show. I will show XLOOKUP. Let's see. Equal to XLOOKUP. Formula is just simple. First, we have to give lookup value. What is a lookup value? Customer name is a lookup value.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then we have to give lookup array.
same.
Okay. So what is a lookup array? This is a lookup array. We have to. We can select overall table as well. We can select one column as well. No problem in that. You can select only one column here. Okay.
Mm.
Comma. What is a return array? What we are going to fetch? We are going
B
to fetch
column.
sales column B.
Yeah.
Give this column. Bracket close. Enter. Just simple as that.
Okay. And remaining values was not required in X lookup formula. Lookup value, then lookup arrays,
Look.
and
Let's see.
then
Let's see this formula again. Okay. Sorry. Let's see this formula again. Now I am going to fetch serial number from there, from that particular sheet, from
yeah,
here. Okay. And now I am pasting my data in between the sheet. Okay.
yeah.
Here some data is present. Here some data is present. We did not require that.
Yeah.
Okay. We only required serial number. Now we are going to fetch serial number according to sales.
Okay.
Understood? Now we are not going to fetch. Sorry, this formula is changed because we have to give. We are already given this column over here, so we have to change the column. So I and H column is there. So we have to give I over there. Someone mic is open, so please you can mute yourself. I'm listening something from someone's end.
Sagar, if we do VLOOKUP with match, I'm
Mhm.
sure it will not giving us error. Am I
Yeah,
correct?
that's what I am saying. You can use VLOOKUP with match. You can use index match also.
Mhm.
Okay, but
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
index match in previous to 1 2 years we can say index match we can use. But after XLOOKUP will come, we cannot use index match because index match is very much complex and
মোবাইলটা
XLOOKUP is very
করবে
simple.
Mhm.
উৎপাত করো না ওখানে যাও বলো না বাবা অনেক করো না ওখানে
I
শুনতে
think
I
যাও
I
think
think there is a background noise from
yeah,
Banerjee, I think.
yeah. So now we are going to fetch serial number according to sales. Here our sales is visible and we are going to fetch serial number using XLOOKUP. Okay. So equal to XLOOKUP bracket open. We have to give lookup value. So what is our lookup value? Sales is our lookup value. Understood? Then comma. Then we have to give lookup array. So we are going to look up that particular sales in that sheet and in that particular sales column. Okay, you can select this. Then again comma. Then what is a return array? What we want in return?
I
Anyone?
column. You're
This
talking
one,
about
this
serial number?
column,
Yeah,
serial
okay.
number. Yeah, G column.
Okay.
We want this G column.
Hmm.
Select this overall column, bracket close, enter.
And lookup array, we can also, use the entire table, right?
Yeah,
Instead
you
of
can use entire table also. You don't need to use single table, a single column. But because we are using XLOOKUP, so single
Hmm.
column is easy to use because we know we are searching that particular lookup value in sales column, and in return, what we want serial number. If we want customer number, so we can also use customer name table. So this is a XLOOKUP formula, and it is very simple to use. I always tell everyone to use XLOOKUP because it is simple and it is good practice to use because in many places VLOOKUP cannot work, but XLOOKUP can work. Okay?
XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP with match and index match also all
Yeah,
three works here.
all three
Because
will work.
yeah, because Sagar, sometime we will get a question in interview, na? Do you know
Mm-hmm.
VLOOKUP with index?
Yes,
So we will
yes,
be stuck if we don't understand. Am
yes,
I correct?
yes. Yeah, you are correct. We can use VLOOKUP with match function. What match function will do? Okay, so let's understand the difference between VLOOKUP and index match. Okay, so what VLOOKUP is doing? VLOOKUP is applying search operation in your table according to your lookup value. Okay, VLOOKUP is applying search operation. And what index match is doing? First index, it is referencing the particular index in which customer name is present. You can say row also, index also. Okay, and according to that index it will give you that particular value, and we
Yes,
can
yes.
get that value using match function. Okay, so that is the use of index match, and XLOOKUP is doing the same. In XLOOKUP, index match is inbuilt, you can say that.
And just for our team information, we as I have done practice a lot in VLOOKUP in with match and index
Mhm.
match. So in one time we can take 1,000 column also. Am I
Yes,
correct, Sagar?
yes, yes, you are correct.
Prashant, I'm talking to you because you are, I think, you're very interested to learn. So, in one, as Sagar did VLOOKUP
Yes.
and got one column. So, in the same time, we can got 100,000 column also. in one time by XLOOKUP, by index match, all these things. So it would be very good to learn XLOOKUP and index match. Am I
Yes.
correct, Sagar?
Yeah, of course, you are definitely correct.
And
And
XLOOKUP is available only in the latest version, right? Of MS
No, no,
yeah,
Excel.
no. I think
I
it's
I
available
think
in
so.
16
XLOOKUP is
also.
present in only latest version because I am using 2021 version. The formula is present in that version. I did not use previous version, and I also did not try XLOOKUP in previous version. So you can try. If it will work, then definitely you can use.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And Prashant,
Any other doubt, guys?
Prashant, you must
Yeah.
have to learn XLOOKUP because I when I one time I had attended interview from
Yeah.
for SCL company. So that person has asked, "Do you know XLOOKUP?" So I was completely blank because I
Okay.
don't know anything about XLOOKUP. So after I failed in that interview, after that I practice a lot and it's very easy. If we
Uh,
compare from VLOOKUP, Sagar, correct me if I'm wrong. If we compare from VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP is very easy.
Yes. In
uh,
sometimes we can confuse in VLOOKUP, but we cannot confuse in XLOOKUP. Why? I'll show you again. Why I am saying that and why Afroz is saying that. Everyone
okay.
can learn that. My screen is visible.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see VLOOKUP formula over here. Not VLOOKUP, it is also XLOOKUP. So suppose I am going to fetch sales using VLOOKUP again. Okay, again I am fetching sales. Okay, so in
Yeah.
VLOOKUP, we have to give different parameters over here. Lookup value, table array, column index number, and many can confuse in that particular formula. When I learned that particular VLOOKUP formula, I also got confused for 7 days. I didn't understand what is this lookup value, why we are doing this, why we need sales. We can directly copy from there that particular sheet. Okay, but in the case of copy, you don't know customer name is in the same format or in the different format. Okay, so that's why VLOOKUP is useful. So VLOOKUP is very, like you can say, it is also easy, but XLOOKUP is easy than VLOOKUP. Why? In XLOOKUP, we have to give lookup value. According to that lookup value, we where we can search that lookup value, we lookup array and return array what we want. Just this simple formula. Nothing, no rocket science in that. So you can learn that formula. It is useful for you all. Okay, okay, Prashant.
Yeah. Okay.
Your
That's
doubt
great.
is resolved.
Yeah.
Okay. Any more doubt, guys? Anyone has any doubt? Or we can wind up the session. Any doubt? Okay, I think no doubt. So we can. Sir is here. Akhilesh sir is here.
Okay.
Hello everyone. Good evening.
Hello. Hello. Hi,
Hi, sir.
Sir.
Hi, sir.
Where are
Hello,
cameras? Hi Akash. Where are your cameras? No cameras, no entry. Hi Afroz. Hello Jamshid. Prashant.
Yeah. Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hello. So what did you learn today? क्या पढ़ाया था?
So VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. Sagar explain us.
What is the one-line summary? Prashant, tell me. What is the one-line summary of what you learned today? What are the takeaways from today? Are you there, Prashant?
Yeah, I'm there.
So if you have to summarize it to one of your fellow community member in 1 or 2 lines, what was taught or discussed in today's session, what will you tell?
So this is especially regarding VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is comparatively easier than VLOOKUP. The reason being XLOOKUP can fetch value leftward, rightward in any from any direction, while VLOOKUP is only working from left to right direction, right? And
Okay.
yeah, so this is
What
all. And
else?
apart from this, Sagar also taught us the another way of conditional formatting. So that was kind of using one formula. And once you click a value, like if we have 4 zones in our data set, like north, south, east, and west, if we click on one of the zone, so the entire north zone will be highlighted from the table.
Okay,
That
very good.
was taught from
Anyone
the side already.
else? Anything to add here? Samantha?
Yes, boss. Nothing to add specially, but this XLOOKUP, first time I have come across, very versatile formula. We'll try to use. I have never used this so far.
If you have 2019 or later versions of Excel, start using XLOOKUP. It is not available in the older versions. 2019 or newer versions, you can start using it.
Okay.
And MS Office 365 is the latest version, right? Newer
Yeah.
than
Yeah,
2019.
Clay sir is there. He will explain. Yeah.
Yes, it is there. Any other questions? Ashish, what about you? Akash, Prashant? Okay, I can see Prashant now. वरना कृष्ण और राधा ही दिख रहे थे बस.
Okay.
ठीक है. Any other question which was left unanswered or anything which you would like to know?
Index match we were about to learn.
Okay, Prashant, where have you reached in terms of course?
So in terms of Power BI, I have started exploring the data transformation part, and MS Excel still have to initiate the advanced formulas.
Okay.
And all.
Okay. The questions which you are asking, everything is covered in the course. Okay.
Okay.
So if you go through those videos and then we discuss it here in the doubt sessions, it becomes like you will grasp it very easily. Okay, because the basics will be covered already. Okay.
Yes.
And if you are talking about data transformation, that means one of the section there is also explaining you how to combine multiple sheets or multiple files which are of similar format.
Yeah, in the merge and append section.
Yes. Okay. Okay, then if no other questions, let's meet next week. Okay. Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Good night.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Sagar.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Bye
Okay.
bye.